The advantage of working with a specialist is you're working with an attorney who has devoted their practice to a particular area of the law. When you graduate from law school or when you first start practicing law, you can choose to practice any area that you may want to practice in. However, when you decide to become a family law specialist or a criminal law specialist or a real property specialist, you have to devote your practice to that particular area of the law. And in North Carolina, in order to become a board certified specialist, you have to have had practiced in that particular area of the law for at least 5 years or have devoted at least 80% of your practice to that particular area of the law. Your continuing legal education requirements that are required by the state bar need to be in that particular area of the law as well. And then it culminates in taking an exam and peer review. So board certified specialists are reviewed by their peers before they can sit for the exam, which is very similar to the bar exam. And so the advantages are you're working with somebody who is very knowledgeable in that particular area of the law. And where that comes into play with family law is you will have an attorney who will understand the nuances of a case or cases that may not arise in every case. And so there is an advantage to working with a family law specialist, primarily because you are working with an attorney who has devoted their practice to that area, has been subject to peer review, and has had to go through an extensive testing program, which is not unsimilar to the bar exam. Our firm specializes in family law and criminal law. However, we do practice other areas. We have 4 attorneys, 2 of whom are board certified specialists in family law, and we have 2 attorneys who handle criminal law as well as some personal injury as well as some workers' compensation. But primarily, Plumides Romano handles family law matters and criminal law matters, and we are one of the few firms that have 2 family law specialists on staff in a firm our size.